Hey, how's it going? It's Thursday. I just got back from the local shopping center and it's crazy. We're supposed to possibly get all this snow, maybe 6 to 20 inches, depending on who you ask. I don't know. That's somewhere in between there. We might even get nothing. But everybody got to go to the store. I already need to go to the store, and some people do, but everybody got to go to the store and get all the stuff in case it's an apocalypse of snow. So it was crazy out there, but I ran into a few nice people and had a chat with one guy who actually I had something in common with, and it was very random. I was just giving him my shopping cart and we talked for like 5 minutes. But I went to Burlington and I was there the other day. I found this deep conditioner that I was intrigued by, and it was on clearance for $209 for 30 ounces, and it didn't smell horrible. It didn't look expired or anything like that. So I said, let me give it a try. I tried it. I love it. I also mixed it with jojoba oil and other conditioner that I have, but it just worked so good on my hair. And so I went back to see if they had any more. So yes, I have this. It's $209. You can see that through my glaring sun. And it's 30 ounces of conditioner. So, yay. I was on my way out, and then I found, before that, no, hold on. Pause that. I found another clearance item, which is this. It's a liquid blush and contour. I'm not sure if the contour is going to be too light, but I thought if so, I could use this for bronzing or give it to my mom. So we'll see. But this was $289 on clearance. Doesn't look like it's ever been opened. So yay, another nice find. And then the one that I was pausing on is this. It's Cetaphil Acne Relief Body Wash. And this is 20 ounces. And this bad boy was $4.59 on clearance. Cetaphil is not high end, but it is like one of those drugstore dermatologist recommended brands, and less than $5 for any of their products that size. $10 even. I'm pretty sure that's like $14 regular price, maybe at Walmart. So you already know that means drugstores are inflated. Amazon might be similar price. I don't know. I got all of that for a whole whopping $10.14. So, I wasn't supposed to be shopping today. I shop too much. I look too much and can't always control the buying, especially when I find deals like this. But $10.14 for my Burlington order. So, I'm excited. I got another conditioner to use or to give to my sister, who I've been telling about this conditioner, and then I have some new body wash and another beauty product to play with. So maybe I'll play with that product soon and either post a picture or I'll show you how it turns out. Either way, I'll be back soon. Have a great day. Stay safe and warm.